Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create faceless video using AI tools. Okay, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create prompt for me. For example, I'm going to create a video about Swan Lake, and here I have asked ChatGPT to write prompt for me, and I'm going to create an image with this prompt. I'm going to copy the prompt for scene 1, and we're going to go to the DALL-E. You can go to the Explore GPTs to get this DALL-E, and then you can message the DALL-E to create an image. Okay, and wait for a moment. The DALL-E will create an image for us according to our prompt. Okay, the image has been created, and I'm going to choose, for example, this one. I'm going to download it. Alright, and you can go back to the ChatGPT, and then you can create scene by scene. You just need to copy the prompt per scene to the DALL-E, and DALL-E will create an image for you. And since this is just for an example, I'm just going to generate one image. Okay, and I'm going to go to the 11 Labs website to create text-to-speech. I'm just going to search for the 11 Labs website. Okay, then I'm going to turn the text into voice. Wait, I'm just going to paste the prompt from ChatGPT. I'm going to click on generate speech. Okay, and I'm going to download it. We can click on this download icon, but actually you can change the voice if you want. You just need to click on this option and you can change the voice, but I'm just going to use that voice, and then we're going to use CapCut to create a video. Make sure you have installed the CapCut application on your PC, and I'm just going to import the image we have just created. This one, and I have one more image in my device. Okay, and I'm just going to add it to my timeline. Wait guys. Okay, then I'm going to import the audio we have just created with the 11 Labs. I'm gonna select the audio, and I'm going to add it to my timeline. And then I'm going to add background music to this project to make my video more captivating. I'm going to go to the audio, and then I'm just going to select music. For example, I'm going to select heal music. I'm just going to add it to my project. And I'm going to decrease the volume. Okay.
A serene lake surrounded by a mystical forest.
Okay, then I'm going to add animation to my video as well. Go to animation, and I recommend you to choose the magic animation.
A serene lake surrounded.
And then this is the final result.
A serene lake surrounded by a mystical forest.
Alright guys, and that's all the way to create faceless video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.